Right, okay, we've put the part back in, we've put it up to our stop, and now we're using the SDM mode again to make sure to drill all the holes. So it's memorised it all, even though it's been turned off. Turn it back on, it's memorised all the holes, we've put the part in exactly the same place, and away we go. We've just got to... One thing I forgot to do is just going to put the table locks on. Right, we don't want things moving. Right, we'll drill all the way through. There's nothing underneath. Don't want to drill in our vise, obviously. And then when we tap them, we'll only tap 3/4 or probably 7/8 of the way through. And that way, when we screw a bolt in it, it won't go all the way through to the bottom. So, let's have a go. Right, I'll just tap this one. Hopefully. Just reverse it, just clear the tap a bit. I thought I had some spiral through ones, but I can't find them. Oh, that'll do. What we'll do, we'll just try bolting it now. And just make sure it doesn't go all the way through. I've probably gone a little bit far actually, but and then the rest of them, there's no point in me filming them. I'll do them all off camera, but you've got the general idea. Grab a bolt. Right, it's only gone in 1/4 inch up to now, so we'll put a clearance tap in. Ooh. Right, I'm just going to measure it down. Just, if I can remember the thickness of the... So that's the overall thickness, 462. So if we do just slightly shy of that, it should be alright. I want to be about there somewhere. Give it a go and try it. If we go right through, it's not the end of the world, but it's better if we don't. I'm just going to set my death stop. Would you credit it? There we go, that's just short, so that's you know, how's that? Perfect. Be seeing you. Right, yeah, I'm really happy with that, that's perfect. So, if we stick a little Sharpie marker on there, and there you see, that was a Sharpie marker there, so we're well happy. It's just nicely, I could feel it at the bottom and I couldn't feel the bolt, so the bolt's just 1/16 of an inch off the bottom, and that's perfect. So very good. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drill the rest of them out, and we're going to saw them off, and we'll clean them up, put some gunmetal on them, and we'll be done. So right, thanks for watching, and I'll finish the video off probably tomorrow night. Right, there we go, so a bit of a tidy up with the file, and right, we'll chop them off. Alright, let's saw these little blighters off. A bit hot. Just cool that down. Little blighter was warm. Clarkson. We'll just run some wet and dry over them, clean all this bluing off, and then we'll paint them with some gun bluing. And hopefully that'll stop them from rusting. Right, I'll just set up some sandpaper on a piece of glass and we'll give them a rub down. Sweet. We'll do all the rest of the three and then we'll get back to you and put some gun blue on it. Right, we've wiped the area down with brake cleaner. Others are available. So all this glass area has been cleaned, and we've cleaned all these up, so we're going to put them in there now. Give them a shake, give them a good soak. Make sure all the oil or grease or fingers are off them. I'll get a nice clean brush. This is what I'm using. I've not had a great deal of success with it, to be honest with you. As you can see, it's Gun Solutions blue gel. I found it. Alright, let's give it a go. And what we do, we put it on and then we wash it off with water. At least that's what it says. I think it says thoroughly clean and degrease surface to be re-blued. Spray, apply little Abbey blue gel with a clean cloth. Leave 30 seconds and then rinse off with cold water. So that's what we'll do. Just wipe another one while we're at it. And you say that's 30 seconds. Right, I'll go wash this one. Go wash this one. I'll put a new pair of gloves on. Take these two out of here. drying them off, that's all. Just going to wipe this surface again. It does say wipe on with a cloth, but I've tried always, and this way seems to be as good as any. But it never seems very even to me. They just look horrible. But it says you can give them another coat, so probably that's what we need to do. But I've done it before on stuff, and it still seems to go. Oh no! It's the last thing you wanted, isn't it? Throw it in the floor. Just seems to go really patchy and. Alright, so that should be 30 seconds. We'll go wash it. See, on that one, the corners haven't taken at all. The corners haven't taken at all, still quite shiny. So, I don't know, probably give it another go. It's no real detriment if they go rusty, but looks better if they don't. I'll give it another go, I think. See what happens when I put them in there again. We'll wipe the surface again. Try a second coat on this little fella. I'll give them all a second blast. Right, that must be 30 seconds again, so I'll go wash it. See what it looks like. So now, does that look any better? Probably see on the video before and after. So it blew it, hasn't it? But this is probably the best they've ever turned out, I would say. There you go. What do you think? I keep wandering out the frame, don't I? God, it's a windy day today. It's a beautiful day, but it's so windy. I shouldn't really be touching my fingers, should I? Back in there you go. Get some gloves on. To me, that looks rusty already. Let me know what you think. You may know some gun balloon better than that. It's I've always used the liquid stuff before, the bluing. You sort of paint it on. I've never used this gel. Right, let's give it another go. I suppose we could look at them in a few weeks and that must have been on there 30 seconds now, surely. Right, we'll go wash it off. And that will be a finished project, and it should look like that one. Ooh. Slippery little suckers. Everyone should have a glass top snap-on box. It's been on here ages, this glass, and I thought I'll break it, and I never have. It's amazing, isn't it, really? Piece of glass on top of your toolbox. I don't know what it is. It's like windscreen glass or something. Oh well, I'd say it's side window glass. It's got a little knocking, little corner off there, look. So what it was for, I don't know, but it is ever so handy having glass on top of your toolbox. And so, I dropped all sorts on it. Never broke it. Makes you laugh, doesn't it? We will try these in the machine in a few minutes. Well, I suppose they don't look bad, do they? What do you think? Let me know in the comments what you think. Yeah. I tell you what, a blind man would be pleased to see them, wouldn't he? If they stop them from rusting, so be it. I'll just show you some I did before when I made some more T-slots and what happened to them ones. So these was blued with it, and as you can see, they're rusty. Probably just better painting them. Right, let's just go around to the Clarkson, try them. Then we're done. Let's have a look. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I'm quite happy with them. I would say that's really how a T-nut should be. Right, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video, which I'll just show you what we're going to do. I bought this off eBay. It's brand new second hand, but the wine handle's missing off it. That's what it is. Vertex, apparently. instructions, as you can see, everything with it, but the middle of the handle is missing. So we've got that part, but we haven't got the bit, so we're going to have to make a part to go inside there on the lathe, and then it'll have an handle in it and a square in it as well, I think. It weighs an absolute ton. Oh God. Bring it down a little bit. Right, you can see what it's got on here. So it's got a square. That goes on there like moi. And then inside here we'll have an handle to turn. As we see on these pictures here. Now we can probably buy one of these, but hey ho. Right, that's what we're going to be doing next. So she'll get that done probably next week.